Hello everyone, I am Manisha Pawar. Today I am going to discuss about the OOPS concept, Object Oriented Programming System. First of all, we will discuss about the what is the Object Oriented Programming System. The Object Oriented Programming System is a software or methodology. The main aim of the Object Oriented Programming System is used to implement the real world entity. It can be designed the program by using the classes and object. The the OOPS concept supports use for can be achieved by using the code reusability and code security. There are four main pillars like inheritance, polymorphisms, abstractions, and encapsulations. Apart from these pillars, OOPS consists support class and object. Object is the real world entity. The entity that has the states and behavior is known as the object. For example, chair, table, pen, keyboard. It could be a physical or logical. We take an example of dog. Dog have a behavior like eating and entities like colors and height. Then we discuss about the class. Class is the collections of the data members and class is the logical entity. Then we discuss about the inheritance. The inheritance in Java is the concept by which one subclass acquire the all properties of the parent class is known as the inheritance. The inheritance, the class is which inherited the properties of the parent class is known as the subclass, and the class whose properties are inherited to the derived class is known as the parent class. The extends keywords is used to inherit the property of the parent class in a subclass. There is a relationship. For example, car is a vehicles. Then inheritance, there are four types of inheritance: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. Java doesn't support multi-level inheritance because of the ambiguity problems. Then single level inheritance. The one derived class acquire the all property of single parent class is known as the single level inheritance. Then multi-level inheritance. One derived class acquire the properties of derived class is known as the multi-level inheritance. Then hierarchical inheritance. One or two derived class acquire the properties of one parent class is known as the hierarchical inheritance. Let's we talk about the abstractions. Abstractions means the hiding the implementations and shows the only functionality to the users is known as the abstractions. Abstraction can be achieved by using the interface and abstract class. By using the abstraction class, we can achieve the 0 to 100% abstraction. But using the interface, we can achieve the 100% interface. 100% abstractions. Let's we talk about the abstract class. If the class contains any abstract keywords, then it's known as the abstract class. The abstract class may contain or may not contain the any abstract methods, but if the class contains any abstract methods, is known as it's declared as the abstract class. If we declare the class with abstract, we cannot instantiate of that class, means we cannot create the object of that class. If you want to use this class, you need to inherit that class into the subclass and provide the implementations all the abstract methods. Then abstract methods. The abstract methods can be declared by using the abstract methods, and it has a no body to the abstract methods. Then encapsulations. Encapsulations mean binding the data or information into the single units is known as the encapsulations. Encapsulations can be used for the code security. By using encapsulations can be achieved by using the private keywords. If you want to achieve the use the inheritance by using the getter and setters methods. Then polymorphisms. The polymorphism is the concept by which single actions can be performed by a different way is known as the polymorphism. Polymorphisms is derived from the two Greek words poly and morphs. The poly means many and morph means many forms. So polymorphism means many forms. The polymorphisms there are two types of polymorphism. One is the compile time polymorphisms and a second one is the runtime polymorphism. The compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism can be executed at the compile times and it shows the error at the compile time. The compile time polymorphism is also known as the static polymorphism. The compile time polymorphism is achieved by using the method overloading. Then runtime polymorphism. The runtime polymorphism is also known as the dynamic polymorphism. The runtime polymorphism can be achieved by using the method overloading and it can be executed at the runtime. Then method overloading. The method overloading means multiple functions have the same name with the different parameters. The functions can be overloaded by using their number of parameters and their data types. Then method overriding. During the inheritance, if the parent class and subclass having the same methods, the subclass inherit the override the method of the parent class is known as the method overriding. Thank you.